April 1st, 1994. Continuation of our tape. Here's Larry and his neighbor Mark.
We haven't ate yet.
Really?
There he goes.
Here he goes. He's chasing that ball wherever they throw it. He can find it. Mine has that rat. Here comes Rex with the ball. Brian.
There you got her.
Rex will eat that.
Daniel, he's afraid of that little dog now. He's not afraid of Rex, he's afraid of the little dog. Skippy. Are they brother and sister or something in that line? His dog?
Are they twins?
Want to watch Tina?
Tell me how cold, how much snow
Huh?
She'll scream. She will
I'll get it.
literally
We'll put it on
scream.
America's Funniest Videos.
That's a good idea.
Yeah.
Are you going to, Mom?
You know, we ought to get a little red paint and dribble all off the side of it.
we got down here.
Nail polish. Catch up.
Got a couple good jobs.
I'll be
Kids.
sure.
Well, take them down with you too. Check out on your ribs before you do.
Okay.
You play a game of this.
What part are you? Central.
You're having too much fun.
Well, I used to live in same kind of climate Illinois.
Same kind of climate problem. It's July the what? 13th?
15th.
Whatever. 1994. There's Daniel, and there's Emily.
Look. Say hi, Mom.
And everybody's down there riding the jet skis. We're going to go down here and watch Daniel do it. There's Robert. He's trying to get the rope pulled out there.
Just some lures, I don't know. I was with my father-in-law. We had some worms once and some minnows.
We use cricket. You always get those little bluegills.
I got potty.
You got potty on?
Pee.
Just a second. Let me say hi to you. Look at me. I'm going to get Daddy on
They
the
fished for hours and hours, a couple days. Never caught a thing. They was upset.
No fun.
No, you're not catching anything.
Here goes Daddy on the Robert on the swing. Daniel.
You want to swing on it, Daniel?
No.
Want to go with me?
No. Absolutely no way. Daniel, say hi to Mom. Look at me. Hey, Daniel's 3.5 and he's a big boy. He just got potty trained. Daniel, look at Mommy. I haven't filmed you for a while. Let's see what you look like. Do you like to go on the jet ski? You going to show me how you can do it? How you going to do it?
You going to jump off the cliffs tomorrow?
No. Daniel. Daniel.
Talk to your mom.
Let's see if you sound like Andrew did at that age. Hi. There's your dad and
Stand
you.
up here, I'll hold you. I got you.
Hi, honey.
Yeah.
Did you go tubing yesterday? Oh, you sit in tube with Mom?
Just hang on. You're not going to swing. I just want you to hang on, but let's see what it feels like. You want to hang on? Ryan and Andrew. What's that?
That life jacket? That's a nice life jacket. It is.
I reached out to get it. I picked it up. Thought it was okay. We rolled over. Picked up his phone.
Hi, Daniel. Wave.
Barbara, can you bring it forward?
Wave.
Can you put it on Zoom?
Yeah, it's on Zoom. I got a close-up of him. There's Sarah and Ryan and Andrew. Hi, guys. Emily and her dad and Daniel. They're going to go out. Bye. That's Sarah and Ryan. There's Kenny and Emily and Daniel. There's Melissa. Hi, Melissa. See if I can locate Robert. There he is. Hi, Robert. Let's see if we can see him. Let's see if we can get Daniel with Uncle Kenny and them. Let's see. And there's Emily on the back there too.
Hey, you don't upset.
There's Ryan. Sarah and Andrew. And that's theirs.
Yeah, I'm upset.
Like it, Daniel?
You guys upset out there? Yeah, I will.
Did you guys upset?
Easy.
Slow down.
It didn't hurt it. Got that on film. See if we can record. There's Andrew. Riding by himself.
Take another lap, Andrew. Yeah, just turn around. Go out one more time. Go do it again.
Robert, I think he thinks he's gonna do something.
You want to try it, Daniel? You're right there.
I'm going down to get wet.
Well, wait. I didn't see ya.
What?
This is Labor Day weekend, 1994.
And
the
we're
whole
getting
family's
ready
here
to do the
call
last
it
fling in the
Thanksgiving.
water.
Here at Deerfield house. And there's Meredith. Hi, Meredith. How old are you? 7. There's Rob. How old are you, Rob?
25.
All right. There's Daniel, who's 3.5.
Here.
Shane.
Here's Suzanne's best side.
There's Suzanne.
Here's her new bathing suit.
Oh, I know. I saw that. Oh, I like that.
How about mine?
I like that. Shane. There's Mom, who's not wanting to be videoed. You can just tell. And there's Tracy.
Meredith. I'm 40.
Trying to get the kids ready.
I'm 21.
Good cartwheel.
There's Big Bird. Shane. There's Shane, who's 17 months. Shane. Bumped his head. A good one. Shane.
Shane. Is it running? Hey, bud. And here's Aunt Melissa. There she is. There's Meredith.
my junky niece.
And how old are you, Melissa?
Oh, 29.
Yeah.
That's my age.
100.
Mommy.
There we go.
There's Catherine. How are you, Catherine?
Hey, take both.
Oh, there's
I'll get 100 out.
I can do some.
Catherine's going to do one. All right.
There's Meredith.
Cartwheel.
Shane. Hey there, buddy. And we'll.
We got Diet Coke. Why do you want to put money in the credit card?
Meredith, go get dressed. I am dressed. Look at me.
Okay, here we are down to the lake now. There's Catherine. She's trying to
Gotta pass that safety.
get in there.
I'm losing it.
Yeah,
And
I am.
Stan.
Here, Catherine.
Yeah, I wasn't recording. Here we are now. Getting ready to go out in the boat. Sweetie, I'll use it for the surf. Here's Andrew. Rickety's top. Andrew's 8.5 now.
20.
We all said we were younger. There's Dad again.
I like that one.
Flip. Yeah, but I didn't get it on video.
Oh, I
You have to
just
do
did it for you.
You have to do it again.
Over here, Dad. Come up with
You have to do it
I guess you want me
again.
to do that crazy stunt again.
That's right. That looks like something Andrew does, but he's not allowed to do it here.
Who's
Dad,
going to get wet besides me? I'm the only one out of this whole gang's got wet.
as soon as it gets warmer. Nuh-uh, the boys do. Dad, come on, I want to see that flip again. Dad, I want to see that flip. Don't, hey guys, there's a bar in between these docks here.
What do you mean a bar?
A bar
Underneath the water.
that you break your neck on.
Where?
Holds
Right
holds
here?
docks together.
Yes.
I'm
Then you
getting
tally
ready to dive
math
in
before
there.
it breaks the back.
Isn't that the truth?
Hey.
I don't
Okay.
know if I can do that again.
That was good. I like that.
Woo!
All right.
All right, Dad. And how old are you, Dad?
13.
Everybody said a different age all the time. There's Robert. I don't think he has grown up yet.
You can stand on
Robert, let's see you.
That's about 4 feet under.
Oh, you're right.
Here's our house.
Is this still
Beautiful day.
Is this still morning?
Yeah, it's still
Dad? Boy, I don't try that on purpose. I didn't do that on purpose.
There's Scott and Suzanne trying to get up. Suzanne's going to the jet ski.
I know. I was watching.
Who, Ryan? Ryan, your dad wants you over there now. Go. Go.
Why?
Oh, look. Go. Oh my gosh, I never seen him go upside down like that.
That just did. That thing's not supposed to do that. It's supposed to be not hard to death.
It's not. You getting on?
And you got on. She's happy. Suzanne, do you want to buy one now?
What'd she say? Buy one. Yeah, she wants to buy one. Oh, yeah.
Looks like you've been riding a bull.
Pop your butt on the seat. Pop your butt on the seat.
I'm on the seat.
Keep both cheeks halfway.
I have.
Lean, lean, lean. Lean, lean, lean. Don't move. Lean, lean, lean.
No, Dad, I'm seeing watch it through a camera.
What did he say?
Look, did you get a video on that?
This thing's great if you get on it.
It's a great one. I can't believe they're that hard to get on.
They are.
They are? there, he got on again.
Oh, he was taking pictures. He looks like we ride the bull.
Giddy up, horsey!
Don't worry about the kill switch. Tell him not to worry about the kill switch. See why they went on there with Daniel?
Huh?
See why they went on there with Daniel?
Yeah, I see why you didn't want to on there.
There they go.
There they go.
Took on some water there. We're going now.
No problem, huh?
Come on, baby. Got this. And them in the boat.
Gotta get out of the way.
And Rob getting on the tube.
Listen, you okay?
Trying to get Tracy from down here.
So difficult was getting back on the damn thing.
Aunt Missy.
I just got you saying that on
Missy.
down.
Can we get
I really like your baby suit.
Can we get out? Aunt Missy.
What, honey?
Can we get out the house?
Oh, I'm okay.
Take me for a ride.
On what, honey?
Can we get
On what?
out the house? Can I take me for a ride?
On what?
On the motorcycle.
Oh, Uncle Robert? Yeah, it'd probably be this evening. Oh, no,
Believe
right?
how hard it is. They don't look like that in the river. I'm okay. There's another bottle in his diaper bag. That's my last one.
Where's the diaper bag?
Well, we got that juice too, though. We got that juice in here. Oh, yeah.
Of course, I've got my glasses on the other boat as well. And
So does Scott.
I know, that's why we were hitting everything in the sun. It was fun. It was fun.
Did you like it?
Yeah, but you can't hurt yourself on it. Believe me, the amount of times we tipped it over that meant getting back on.
Good enough.
That won't fit.
Turn, lead. That's it. Lead. Got it. Got it. Yay!
Okay, it's all right now.
Oh, it was fun. Yeah, I'll try.
Here we are up at the cliffs. This is the cliffs that seems like I'm not getting ready to be up there. There's something weird here. This is the cliff. But it seems to be a whole lot higher now because the water's down about 6 foot. Andrew, who's 8.5, been jumping off this summer, and Ryan, who's 12.5. All of us been having a lot of fun with that. We'll see now if anybody's going to do it this time. I just missed him. There went Dad. Oh, now I'm getting Scott. There's Scott. Hi, Scott! What'd Dad say?
Look out, Bob! I got water.
Oh, I can't believe you landed on it.
You don't have any real parts left. The other part was killing you on that too.
Yeah, Missy, here comes Ryan.
Oh, did you? Watch out! Look, Shane, look around. Look, 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 look. Hey, Shane, look up there.
Goes Ryan again. Ryan doesn't even think about it. He just does it.
Look at him looking.
Hey, Baba!
Look, Shane, look at Ryan.
I always hold my nose and it hurts.
Why is he doing that? It's such a feel out. Where are you taking the ball?
There's Scott and Suzanne and Andrew again. Meredith, watch Andrew again.
Look at the mountains over there.
The sunshine.
Look at the mountains.
I'm telling you, you get up there, it's a whole different look than it is from down here.
Oh, I'm sure.
She's up there now, she's like, I don't know about this. It is.
Suzanne, you about ready to croak? Suzanne and Andrew and
Suzanne's it look a lot worse? Suzanne, start on the lower one.
Why'd you go on the lower one?
Since it's so much, the water's down so far. It does for me.
You want to bet when you hit the water.
Yeah.
make sure you jump out.
Don't lean on your butt, lean on your feet.
Cheeks, girl.
What he said.
This is made for exit only. Why am I doing this?
That's what I say every time I'm up there. Because once you do it, you'll do it again. Oh! Ouch! Oh! She laying on her back.
You okay?
Oh, you're fine. Rub the snot out of your face.
Somebody plug him up.
Uh-oh, I got that on video.
You hold your own around here.
Survival of the fittest is what I always say.
Andrew! I want video. Here goes Andrew. 8.5.
All right, Suzanne, did you hurt your butt?
Yeah. Doesn't make any difference whether you touch your cheeks or not.
Here goes Uncle Scott.
Come on. Meredith, get in the water with this.
Was that better? Scott, was that better?
I've already been off.
Scott, was that better?
I put my feet together in front of me this time.
Go ahead, Andrew. Andrew, come on, I want to put this camera down. Do it. No. Go. Because you're just like us. I always get up there. I don't know why I'm doing this. I don't know why I'm not.
There you go. Jump out, Andrew.
Kind of like a roller coaster with idiots.
Jump out.
Go. Robert, Andrew, jump. Jump now.
Yes,
Mother.
mother.
Go. Go.
1, 2, 3. Yay!
Woo!
Yeah!
I don't like it.
Missy, you gonna jump?
That thing's so... This will be number 8. How did you get at... Were you at his house?
There's no way.
Oh, shut up.
Hey guys, don't come up here and goof around.
Did you get that? I got you.
Not missed it.
Is that what you call moon over Norris?
Come on, old man, let's go.
Suck in those cheeks. Is that where you went off?
Down there.
Are you gonna go or not?
No, we're not. I'm watching.
Oh yeah. Oh man.
Woo! Smack the feet. Woo! What's that?
Are we cutting close to them?
So you're all right.
You're all right. Plenty of room. Hey, this will get you off there.
I'll catch you, Andrew. I'll catch you.
What did he say?
He thought go up here before you jump myself. Go! 3, go! You need to That's all he needs.
That's all he keeps smacking on.
Do it, I got you. Hey! 1, 2.
Times I thought I broke my ear.
That almost brought tears to my eyes. That sucker hurt so bad.
One,
My butt must have been wide open.
2,
Get ready, Andrew.
3.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, jump! Yeah. All right!
Andrew's so excited. He was the first one.
Was that it?
Ryan's trying to keep himself under the guy.
That's what's working up there.
There's Dad, Caveman Bob. He's going up there.
Look at your husband.
All you can see is his bare white legs.
Up in a cave.
Look at them legs. If he ever got lost up in there, we could find him with the flare from the white legs.
Probably Rambo.
Statue of Liberty in Tennessee.
That's the channel?
Yeah.
Let's do it on Marketplace.
Restaurant at Deerfield. Beautiful view. Walk down and get another view. Here's the view of the lake from the restaurant. Now it's working. This is the swimming pool.
I should have brought some.